Hi, I'm Amy Mathis, Operations Manager of Mason-McBride, here today to talk about the auto reform law changes. Today's topic will be premium rating factors. These are items that the insurance companies used to be able to use to determine what premium you're going to be charged for your auto insurance. The new law has changed what they're allowed to use and what they can no longer use. The first one, they can no longer use gender. They used to be able to charge males more than females or vice versa. Second being marital status. Individuals who were married had lower rates than folks who were single. Home ownership is the third one that they can no longer use. It used to be that the insurance companies could give a lower premium to folks who actually owned homes. Next one being education. Used to be that if you held a bachelor's degree or higher, your premium was lower than somebody who had maybe just an associate's or maybe went to trade school. That's again no longer going to be the case. Occupation was another big one. The more risky the occupation, the higher the premium was. Postal zone. We all know that that's a very big factor. If you happen to live maybe in Genesee County, Wayne County, those bigger metropolitan areas, those zip codes had much higher premiums than the folks who didn't live in those zip codes. And finally, credit score. Credit score is always a sore subject when it comes to insurance score because we have a lot of clients who maybe don't use credit. They pay cash for everything, so their score would be considered lower. Maybe that you're in the process of buying a home and the insurance scores ran at a snapshot in time, so that's not a true reflection of what your FICO score is. Although the new law has identified these options as no longer being premium rating factors, they can and will go about still using an offset of these factors. I have been told by a couple of different insurance companies that instead of using postal zones, they will now use territories. So they will lump certain zip codes into territories and base the rates off of those particular territories. So effectively, they're following the law, they're doing exactly as the law said, but they're still being able to get it around these particular items. So again, very important to know that these particular things have been identified in the law, that they cannot use them as premium rating factors, although we're well aware of insurance companies that will get around it to some degree. Thank you very much.